Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrank your competition, and of course get more customers. So first things first, I have a website puller here, and the first thing that I have to suggest is to add a little bit more of our content. In this case, by content I mean more wording. If you add relevant, rich content, original content, it can definitely help you start ranking, especially here on the homepage, because this is where um, the main information will keep will try to pick from. So that will be for the homepage. Then for those each one of the sub pages, for example, services. Try to have an independent page for each one of the services that you have. I know I have it here, but let's see, bookkeeping, for example. If you have a different, you have a sub page over here, and same thing, more content will definitely help you out. And the keywords, they have to be placed in specific areas of your website so they can be found. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but that's how this whole thing works. If I look in the back end of your website, you are only being found for 15 keywords. Um, that's bringing you around 8 visits a month to your website, and you have 3 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, will give you power so it can be found on Google as well, and will increase your rating, especially domain rating and the URL rating. Keep in mind that not all links are created equal, so you can have dozens and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most importantly, if they're not targeting the right keywords that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick. Tax Savers LLC, which is the branding name. You're ranking number 3, of course. Let's take a look. There's not much of a relevant keywords that you need to be found for. For example, bookkeeping services, NJ, or bookkeeping in general. Let me go see here. So moving forward, let's take a look. Did a quick search for bookkeeping services, Monroe Township, because I believe this is where you're located. And the first thing you're gonna see here is your traditional Google ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad. If it's not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money, not seeing the result that you like, that you want. Next, we have the map section, and this is very important because regardless of your location, you want to be here. If it's Monroe Township, if it's all just the New Jersey State, or any of the cities around, for example, Princeton, Freehold, you can definitely be here. But if you're not here, that means that most likely you're not going to be ranking in this page. So then it comes. Oops, sorry. Let me go back. Then becomes the organic results, and you have question number 1. They seem to be a big company. Then you have number 2, think of CPA. Number 3, the ranking for the same keyword to another of the sub pages. Then you have Yelp. So for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top 3 from the map section, and probably the top 3 from here. That means that they don't scroll all the way down and not even to the second and third page. So you can be missing a lot of potential leads, a lot of potential clients that are looking for those type of services. So for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this website from Suleka, hope I pronounced correctly. And you can see here that they have a lot of pages, and they're just not US based. They're probably based in other places, but they have a lot of information here. They seem to know what they're doing, because the amount of information here is very precise. So, and they have a lot of things going on here. But if we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for over 146,000 keywords. That's bringing a value around 92 visits, 92,000 visits a month to their website. When you have over 9,000 backlinks, then you can see these numbers are uh, really high. But this is a big company. I mean, if you were to be targeting for that, you can definitely have improve your content and have some decent amount of backlinks that would help you to boost your presence. So, for example, bookkeeping services and Jay have an average of 50 searches a month, and you can see that there's a lot of variances here that can also help. If you'll be targeting for these keywords. Let's take a look at accounting services in J. Just 30 searches a month, and same thing. There's a lot of variances of the keywords that you can take advantage because the search volume is quite decent. So to make this video not too long, if you have any questions, if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. And we're more than happy to assist you with anything that you need or answer any questions that you have. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.